Welcome back to Garage 512, everybody, and thank you for pushing play. Thank you for your likes and your subscriptions. Really appreciate you and really helps the channel, so keep it coming. Just a quick video today, just kind of talking about what the heck I've been doing for the last 5 months while I wait for my Vette to get fixed. I wrote a song about it. Like the hit go. It's an old joke. Anyway, today we're just gonna walk around the garage, take a quick look at what I've been doing. I've had a couple of projects I've been working on in this time period, just getting some space and getting the garage cleaned and all that stuff. So with that said, let's go take a look. All right, let's go take a look. First things first, I did some garage reorganization. I was never had any real experience with renting storage units before. I didn't realize it was such a racket. They get you in with the introductory price and then they slowly but surely, you know, creep the price up. Only in my case, they didn't just creep it up. They doubled it every single, I think every 3 months. So I decided I had enough of that bullshit. And so I decided to call this garage storage place, and they have hooked me up with storage above the floor. So I didn't need to actually use that storage room anymore. So I've got 2 of them, and I think these support up to 750 pounds. And over at the workbench, which is another new thing that I got this, like most of the things, on Amazon. So this was cool. I was working on a video. I'm not sure if I'm going to post it or not. You know, piston, crankshaft. I was going to be talking about motors and stuff. We'll figure that out later. But this was really pretty cool because, as you can see, it has 2 storage bins, right? And quite a bit of room, all things considered. And on top of that, I've got drawers for tools and all kinds of stuff like that. Of course, I've got this off the top. But about the storage though, I've got let me back up so I can get a better view of it. But there we go. I got my race tires up here now. So this particular ledge will support 1,000 pounds. So these are the original tires that came with the Vette stock sizes. And my plan is to, well, I already put the Toyo tires in the car with the stock wheels. So ultimately, I'm going to be running the black wheels. Speaking of the black wheels, which are here, the Apex wheels, which are super light. Those black wheels will be on the car for daily purposes. The track tires will be the stock tires. Those guys up there with the stock chrome wheels. So that's the plan for the wheels and tires. But I am glad I got that storage piece because I was running out of space. I really miss my 3-car garage, but yeah, that is plenty sufficient, and it'll hold 1,000 pounds. So that's cool. The other thing is I got a storage cabinet here, which is quite useful for all the knickknacks, you know, your torque wrench here and impact driver, electric screwdriver, my car stuff. Yeah, there's my car cover, which I have not used yet, and my little jump starter, which is really cool. Jump starts the car, airs up your tires. I think it has a light on it. It's obviously I have not used it, but a bunch of stuff, and all anticipation for the new track car. So that said, I also invested in some QuickJacks. These guys right here, that's the compressor. Still in the box, have not messed with it yet. In fact, the actual QuickJacks are on the wall, properly installed, and we are just waiting and waiting and waiting. So I've got all the guts here. It's really quite cool. I even bought another sign from Petro Vibes, and this one's neon, obviously. And the one in the office, which is where that says Garage 512 up top, and then the other one is basically this, the silhouette for the C6, but in metal. So I didn't want to have 2 neon things on top of each other, so move this one out here. So that's what's what today. I'm hoping to get a spot at ZF Works so that they can install my motor, which should take them only about a week, but I'm waiting on other cars to get done. Once they get a spot for me, I can have the car towed over there and they can get busy. So after that, and it's just a matter of doing another tow up to Victoria, Texas, so Pat G can do his install. So anyway, that's it for today. Thank you again for liking and subscribing. And hopefully I'll have some good car content coming back to you. It's been a long 5 months, but I'm looking forward to getting in the car and recording some real cool content. Anyway, as always, take care of yourself and get those physicals. And please, please, please have the doctor check that PSA box on your blood form. Check that box, guys.